tired of hiding your smile because of stained, misaligned teeth? Do you find yourself feeling self-conscious about your smile, looking at your pictures and saying, I don't like how I look? Well, Cosmetic Dentistry can fix this for you. Whether you're dealing with discoloration, gaps, chips, misaligned teeth, we can fix this for you and give you a smile you're proud to show off. Now, let's talk how we can make this happen for you. We know that choosing the right dental office for your cosmetic dental needs is crucial. So here's why you should choose us. Our team specializes in enhancing the looks and function of your teeth with whitenings, veneers, crowns, and Invisalign. Now, we focus on your specific needs and desires, creating a personalized plan to achieve the best results just for you. Now, what sets us apart is that we are committed to making you feel informed every step of the way. We use the latest technology and techniques to ensure your smile not only looks fantastic, but also functions correctly. This means that you can enjoy your smile for years to come without having to worry about frequent touch-ups or replacements. When you come to our office for cosmetic dentistry, here's what you can expect from us. First, we'll sit down for your initial consultation and we'll talk about your smile goals. We'll answer medical questions. We'll do a very thorough oral evaluation of your teeth, your gums, your bone. This allows us to see what we're working with and make the best treatment plan for you. We'll do the best approach, and once we have a clear picture, we'll present this customized treatment plan. Now, we explain each step and what you can expect along the way. Now, when it's time for your treatments, we'll prepare your teeth and make sure that you are comfortable. That's my number one priority, your comfort. After your treatments, we'll give you all the tips you need to care for your new smile at home. We'll also schedule your recare follow-ups appointments to make sure that your new smile stays in shape. Now, we understand that cosmetic dentistry could be a big investment in yourself. That's why we have different payment options, financing options. So if you're ready to make a change in your smile, feel free to schedule your free consultation with us, and I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.